Well, this morning we are joined by Pam Regan, who is with Southwest Missouri Job Centers. And Pam, I'm happy to have you here virtually because we're talking about a virtual event that's happening this Thursday. It's today. So, tell me about who you're targeting with this event and what's going to be happening.
So the event today is at noon. It is a Zoom meeting, and it is targeting hiring staff from all of our businesses, business owners, HR personnel here in the Southwest region. And the purpose of the meeting is it's our business league meeting, and we're having someone from our Office of Workforce Development come in via Zoom and talk to these employers about how they can use our jobs.mo.gov system to help them hire in a virtual world in 2020.
And there's a lot of people who would probably kill to have a conversation with you about job seeking in 2021. And so when it comes to how the market of jobs has changed over the last 9 months, but even just the last month, what have you seen from your perspective?
Our biggest challenge right now is that we can't do interviews. We can't hold hiring events because of our COVID restrictions here at the Job Center. It's harder for us to have people come in, to have employers come in. In the past, we would hold job fairs and we would have 250, 300 people come through the doors. We can't do that now.
Well, given the fact that this event is for people who work from the HR perspective, people who are in the positions of power that are hiring, what are some things that are going on in the minds of HR people that you might want an applicant to be aware of?
Well, a lot of from the employer's aspect of our MoJob system is that job order, getting that job order in and making sure that what you're looking for is it's the wording that you put into those things. It's making sure that the customer understands what kind of position you're looking to hire in, and then using those keywords that as an HR person that has looked at a 1,012 resumes, what people put on their resumes at this point. So you want to make sure that those keywords are in there, because that becomes very important in another aspect of our system that will help that HR person find the customer. So our system works both ways. Our customers can look for the jobs. Our employers can also look for the customers.
That's phenomenal advice. Well, if you are interested in being involved with the event, you can register online. Is that correct?
Yes, until 11:45, we'll say.
All right, so you got a few hours here. But hey, Pam, we really appreciate your time this morning. We'll have more information on our morning show page, KOAMnewsnow.com, and we'll be right back on the KOAM Morning News right after this.